Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to view your transaction history in public investing. If you don't have a public investing account, we will put the link in the description below for you to sign up and get free slice of stock. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click sign in. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, click on the drop-down arrow at the top right side of the screen. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. On the left side menu of this page, you will see several tabs. Click on the History tab. Then here, you will be able to scroll through the different transactions that have taken place in your brokerage account. That's how you view your transaction history in public investing. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.